Namaskaram. Welcome to my channel ARK Travelogue. In today's video, I will be showing you one of the best waterfalls that I have visited in my life, and it is Mutyala Jalapatam or Mutyaladhara Waterfalls. Mutyala Jalapatam is situated in Veerabhadravaram village of Venkatapuram Mandal of Mulugu district in Telangana state. This waterfall is 98 kilometers from the district headquarters, that is Mulugu, 150 kilometers from Warangal and 292 kilometers from Hyderabad. The Mutyaladhara waterfall is a hidden waterfall recently explored by locals. Unknown to many, this will be the country's third highest waterfall, hidden away in a remote corner of Mulugu district. The waterfall can be reached after walking 9 to 11 kilometers from the village called Veerabhadravaram. There is no proper road leading to the spot. We need to hire a tractor which will be costing around 1500 rupees.
So Mr. Satish Garu is enjoying the tractor ride. Nadu. నేను నడుస్తా నా వల్ల కాదు. And this is a tractor through which we are coming to the beautiful waterfalls Mutyaladhara. It's a rocky road. Way to Mutyaladhara. కదా రాని పోని route towards Mutyaladhara Jalapatam, Mutyaladhara waterfalls. Road is completely patchy, not good. Still, probably it might take another 15 minutes to reach this beautiful place. Namaskaram to everybody, and finally we have reached one of the most beautiful destinations in Telangana called Mutyaladhara waterfalls. You can see the lush green trees, the rocky trail which leads to the tallest waterfalls, which plunges from a height of 700 feet. And it has been a great day for us. Unfortunately, it is cloudy. It might rain. We had enjoyed our drive towards the waterfalls, and let me show you the magnificent view of the waterfalls. We have come to this place by hiring a tractor. We traveled 8 kilometers.
The waterfall falls from an estimated height of 700 feet at Gaddalasari, and that is the reason it is also called as Gaddalasari Waterfalls. If confirmed, this could be India's third highest after Nokhalekai Falls, which is 1100 feet, situated in Meghalaya, and the Jog Falls, which is 830 feet, situated in Karnataka. In order to go to the waterfalls, either we need to walk to reach the waterfalls or we need to hire a tractor because the road in the forest is muddy and there is no ground clearance. It takes us 1 hour and 30 minutes to reach the waterfalls. After parking the tractor, we need to walk another 1 kilometer to reach the beautiful Mutyaladhara waterfalls. The best time to visit this waterfall is during the monsoon season and post monsoon season, and from the month of July to February we'll get a very beautiful view of the waterfall. I hope you enjoyed watching the short video. I'll be coming up with lot more interesting videos. You can follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. The details are mentioned in the description window as well as at the end screen. I request everyone to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more video updates, and also please like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.